Don't know how to cite? Use Mendeley Cite. Hello everyone. This video is to show you how to use Mendeley to cite your journal paper. Step 1. Open your journal article. That's the whole article. So we can import this directly into our Mendeley library by click on the importer. Here, that one with PDF. We can add into the library, and then when we view library, the article will be there. Knowledge management is here. We want to set this article. Here is Mendeley Cite already open. Check our referencing style need to be set them right. Harvard and the language English UK. That one is selected. Think. Reference. Select the reference you want to use. Click on Insert Citation. That's the citation. In-text citation. And then for reference, click on three dots. Insert bibliography. Like this. Continue. That's it. Done.